did you ask them to stop the car? Arisa, I am asking you, can you answer me? Why are we here? Why are we stopping?
I need to think.
You need to think. Arisa, you don't need to think, you need to act.
I need to think, woman!
Arisa, I don't understand why we are here. The more we are wasting time, the further your sister is going. We need to go after her.
I said I need to think!
No, you don't need to think!
And I need you to shut up! I need to think.
Jesus Christ!
Nena!
Adaku! That's an ambulance and your father's corpse is in it.
I'll explain everything to you, okay? Let's just take the corpse inside.
Inside where? Inside my house? How?
Nena, you're a medical doctor. You know the right process to preserve a corpse. Alright? This is the only place this corpse can be safe. Let's take it inside. I beg you.
If I take this corpse inside here, how am I going to sleep at night? It's not possible. I can't do that.
Nena, this is not a one-room apartment. You can keep the corpse in one of the rooms. I don't want these evil elders to lay their hands on my father's corpse. They can only see my father's corpse when this evil tradition is abolished.
Adak, you are playing with fire. You cannot win tradition.
Killing of twins was part of tradition before it was abolished. Men and women of goodwill fought the tradition and today twins are born. If we fold our hands, evil will prevail. We can't let it happen.
My friend, I love your boldness, but I fear for your life.
I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. Just make sure this corpse is safe. Make sure it's fresh. Alright? I don't want these elders laying their hands on it. Bill me. I'll pay.
See, I'll help you keep it, but not in this house. Let's take it to my hospital morgue. It will be safe there.
Whatever.
It's in my house.
Whatever, as long as these elders don't lay their hands on it.
Please, let's take this thing out of here.
Where is the corpse? Have you submitted it to the elders? Can somebody talk to me?
Father's corpse was taken away before we got there.
I don't understand.
She threatened the mortician to release the corpse and he did.
Oh my God. How did she know you were going there? You have to trace that girl and reclaim that corpse back.
Mother, we did. We tried. We chased her, but along the way, she was so fast to escape.
What is wrong with that girl, Adak? Eh? I've had enough of her and all her nonsense. It is time for me to teach her a bitter lesson. She can't continue to frustrate this family like this. What is wrong with her?
What's the meaning of this, Mother?
I'm sure you understand the meaning of this ritual. Adako, I carried you in my womb for 9 good months. I have the power to lay a curse on you that will render your life miserable.
You know, try this kind of nonsense now. You not ball now. What it be this? Eh? I'm fighting for justice and fairness. Okay, I want to ask you this question. Why be say if king die, now innocent villagers, innocent people that they bury with him? But then they bury the king with the children. Even you, as the queen, as a wife, why not prove your love for your husband by entering the casket and make they bury you with her? Okay, you don't want to die. You don't fear to die. You don't want to buy. But now innocent people, now fit to buy. No now. No make sense. Mother, listen. I am fighting for the future generation. Enough of the bloodshed. It's enough. Okay?
You're talking trash. Absolute nonsense. Adako, I did not remove my foot away and raise this native broom to be arguing nonsense with me. Adako, let me tell you. If you do not submit my husband's corpse to me in the next 24 hours, I will disown you and I will lay a curse on you. This is a vow. Damn me! You're talking trash. Absolute nonsense. Adako, I did not remove my foot away and raise this native broom to be arguing nonsense with me. Adako, let me tell you. If you do not submit my husband's corpse to me in the next 24 hours, I will disown you and I will lay a curse on you. This is a vow. Dare me!
I was banished from Amanze for speaking up against the tradition of burying kings with maidens. I was warned by my mother that I can never win such fights, but I didn't listen. The worst thing that can happen to a child happened to me.
What is that?
There is something a child should not pray to experience. You see that woman that gave birth to you. You should not provoke her to the point of laying a curse on you, because that is the worst thing that can happen to any child, especially when she have warned you with a native broom about the course ahead.
The worst thing that can happen to anyone is to offend a mother to the extent that the mother will open her mouth and place a curse on that child. What's the essence of this whole thing? Fighting for the people and getting cursed by my own mother. I was just calling denard to bring out the cops because I don't want to be cursed. Instead, I'll pack my things out of this kingdom and go back to worry. Or better still, just travel out of the country.
I'm out to save my kingdom. No matter the cost, I will fight it to the end. I can do it.
Hello dear, sorry I missed your call. I was busy doing something. Adako, I must say this to you. You are one of the most brave and fearless women I've come across in this life. If you have more of your kind, the society will be a better place in a few years.
You think so?
No, I don't think so, my friend. I know so. You are fighting a just cause, and your name will be written in the wall of Amanze history as the first lady to rise up against the grave covenant tradition. My earnest prayer for you, my friend, is that you succeed.
I actually called you for something, but your words just changed my mind.
Okay, what is it?
Never mind.
Okay, alright, bye.
But what's the meaning of this?
So you're the fraudster who came to Amanze to cause confusion. What makes you think your generation can ascend the throne?
You know, I find it funny how an aspired prince like you, who is not even man enough to stand firm and reclaim his father's throne, will stand right there, speaking to the incoming king of Amanze, ranting like a mad dog. You see, Arinze, you came late to the party. In a few days' time, I will ascend the throne of Amanze, and there is nothing you or anyone else can do about it. Arinze, Epeka, Epelompe too much.
We shall see. That's your house, right? House 44. I got 4.
Arinze, I'm worried here for Lena. Arinze, you may get anything. I shall be waiting.
Dibia golozo, gozo bulu dibia. Ayaga mundo menana, tibozo bo, kedifana.
Are you serious? Your mom raised the native broom and threatened to curse you. What are you waiting for, Adako? See, don't even allow that to happen. Because if you do, you're going to regret it for the rest of your life.
I don't care. Seriously, I don't care. Like you rightly said yesterday, if you try to stop evil, you either pay with your life or with your relationship. If putting an end to this evil tradition will cost me my relationship with my family, so be it.
Adako, I'm not going to keep allowing you risk your life for this community. You see that corpse? I'm going to my house this minute to bring it here.
Nena, I paid you. I paid you so you can keep that corpse very safe in your house. Only me can tell you to bring it out. What is wrong with you?
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Babe.
Yeah.
Babe, guess what?
Guess what? What?
Guess. Can you guess?
I can't guess. Just tell me, what is it?
Good news. I just found out where your father's corpse is being hidden.
What?
You heard me. I know the location, the exact location where your father's corpse is being hidden. I know the place.
What did you say?
You know Nina? Nina, the medical doctor.
Yes, my sister's friend.
Exactly. It is her place. That is where the corpse is hidden. I overheard a conversation with Adako. Sweetheart, you need to rush to that location. You need to take action before they move that corpse out of that place.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious, babe. I'm not joking.
Oh. This again. Hello? All these big man children, eh? So, now, wait, now when una want do something, una go dey remember person. Wetin happen yesterday, wetin play yesterday, you know who call to find out how we take dismiss, how we take discharge. Now you dey come for that thing again. Wetin you want? I know now. I talk am. I know say you dey find something. Now let you dey call me again so. So how urgent that the job dey? As soon as possible. Okay, now no wahala now. So you know say me I no dey use money dey play o. What about my money now, my payment? Yeah, no wahala now. Trust me now, I go deliver. No wahala.
Sister? Nana. It's like she's not yet back home. Nana.
Open the door.
Jesus Christ.
Open the door. Where's the cops?
I don't know about any cops, so I just came in now to see my sister and she's not around.
Where's the key to the house?
I don't know where the key to the house is.
You think somebody joke for you, Abi?
Please,
Eh? Sure say this number correct?
Yes. That's a number.
Not correct, I'll buy you.
She wants juice.
Hello? Who is this?
Comport yourself. You dey hear me? No matter where you dey, just comport yourself. Your sister, she's home. She dey with us and her life dey your hands.
Jesus Christ.
I say quiet your mouth. Not the hear say comport yourself.
Okay, I can hear you, sir. I can hear you.
See, if we not see the king dead body in the next 30 minutes, we go poof your sister. Consider your sister dead. She dey here, make her give her the phone when you talk to her. Talk to your sister.
Hello, sister. Please don't allow them to kill me. Please save me.
Shut up! You don't hear her now. You don't hear her now, Abi. See, her life dey for your hand. In the next 30 minutes, we not see the king dead body. Your sister will not buy her. She don't go.
It's up.
Okay, I'm on my way. I'll leave here right away. I'm coming.
What is it? Why did you scream like that? You sound worried.
I have an emergency in the hospital. I need to be there and I need to attend to it. I'll see you later, please. Hello, please don't harm my sister. I beg you, please, please. I've seen the location you sent on WhatsApp. Please don't harm my sister. I beg you. I'm coming, please. Please. What are you doing here?
Where are you going to?
I told you earlier that I'm going to the hospital. I have an emergency.
You must think I'm a fool. From the way you answered that call, I knew something was fishing. Where are you taking my father's corpse to?
No.
Don't provoke me. I ask again, where are you taking my father's corpse to?
My friend, my sister was kidnapped. They called me and they demanded for your father's corpse as ransom. Please, my friend, my sister is the only one I have in this life. Please. I'm going to my hospital morgue to take the corpse to them. Please, my sister's life is very important. Please.
You should have told me.
Adako, how am I supposed to tell you? I know the kind of person you are. You are going to refuse to this kind of thing. Please, help me. My sister is in danger. Please. Adako, please.
See, your sister, they waste our time here. We go poof you.
Please be patient. Just let me here, please.
Alaye, call that idiot out again. If she give any rubbish excuse, we go where's this girl come up for here?
No, I'll make her ring her.
Because you will never brush your face, Abi. Eh?
Hello? Hello?
I see and say, you don't love your sister. You know you get single love for this your sister. If we not see you and the cops between the next few minutes, we go bush out your sister any I carry give you.
No. Please, I beg you with everything I hold sacred. Please, don't hurt my sister. I'm on my way with the cops already in the car. My vehicle just spoiled. But I'll fix it. I'm on my way. I'm coming. Please, help me.
No wahala, your sister alive, dey your hand. If we not see you, we go just push out your sister. Move your sister carry give you.
She dey play now, Abi. She dey play. They play.
Please now, I beg you, please don't harm my sister. I'm on my way. You see me in the next 10 minutes. You see me now, please.
Blow my trumpet.
Make welcome The incoming, His Royal Majesty, King Arinze Christopher Akwamaka, Obato Zuorora, the second in Amanze, Ancient Kingdom.
Igwe! Thank you. Thank you.
That's my son.
Let's toast to the throne.
Yes.
To the throne.
To the throne.
Finally, royalty won't leave this family. In a few moments, my father's corpse shall arrive, and we shall officially fix the date for the grave ritual.
You are indeed your father's son. Your father's blood runs through your veins. Arinze, you are a lion. Agu there! Agu! Why
Mother.
Yes.
He is not just a lion. He is a tiger. Agubona.
In fact, I'm going to order the guards to go slaughter a big he-goat so that I will use it to prepare sumptuous pepper soup for you.
Thank you, Mom.
Where's the cops? Where's the cops?
We have to confirm the cops first.
Go and confirm it. I'm here with the captain.
The boot is so easy.
Are you sure it's open?
It's open. Come on, mad.
Please kill me.
It don't be for you.
Please don't kill me.
Hello, DPO. I have one of the kidnappers. Location? By the river bank.
Please don't kill me.
Thank you.
Please don't kill me.
You mad? You mad? You mad? You don't fear? You know they look first? They send you a message, you don't fear. You don't fear. You're mad. Are you okay?
Is everything okay?
I sense danger, Mom. Something is not right. They should be here by now. They're not taking my calls.
My king, believe me, nothing has happened. Okay? You're just getting yourself worked up for nothing. Allow these people do their job while you wait for results.
My instincts has never lied to me.
this place, they inside, you don't get where they go. EP. Arise! Come out! And the beast with this. This is the beast that sent kidnappers to kidnap my friend's sister. He must face the full wrath of the law. Ada,
what is this now? Eh? Arrest who?
Young man, do you know him?
I'm sorry, I don't know him. I've never seen him before.
Okay. When we get to the station, you will know.
What? Hey, listen. Are you aware this is my palace?
Yes.
Are you aware I'm the crown prince of Amanze kingdom? Exactly. Do you know what you're doing?
Officer, please, let's go in and settle this. Eh? Please. We can settle it and make
it. What did they settle? Okay, you want bribe him? You don't see him now? The Bible says, spare the rod and spoil the child. You don't spoil this one finish, you don't rot it, don't they smell. You know they get himself again. After you go say you be role model to the girls in this community, you not be role model or guy. You dey very corrupt, you dey spoil people. Officer, get us to go waste time for this place. This woman go manipulate you the way she manipulate this boy. Move this thing, come out for this place, fast!
Mother, are you sure she's my father's blood?
Before uncle. I be a papa blood and now your mama blood now no be. We no connect, we no feel link. We no feel relate because this woman is corrupt. Officer, come out this thing from here now. What's this up?
Adaku! Ina yala. Have you gone mad?
You don't know say I'm not mad before.
Did you forget yourself?
You don't know say I don't dey craze before. Okay, you don't know. Oh, Nana, you know. Go ask question, I'm not well, though. If they pay me say Nana, you and my mama, they know say I'm not well. Are they mad? Oga, come on this man for me and make you go dey move front, enter cell, fast!
Young man.
Did you forget where you are?
Young man, we are not here for this drama. Officer,
sir,
move him.
Listen, there is no time. Move. Sorry, excuse me, sir.
I am the crown prince of Amanze kingdom. He has no right to touch me.
Jama, move.
Don't touch me.
Why?
Don't touch me.
I said move.
Okay, move. Who give you prince?
Mother, please.
Ada,
they're taking my husband away.
Ada,
please.
Move.
Mother, please.
Okay, move, abeg.
Move it.
Are you trying to
move?
Wait, calm down.
Mother, do something.
Don't worry, I will settle it. Don't worry. Let them go. I will go to the station.
Adaku.
I don't know why this girl is like this.
Mother, we don't have to waste time. We need to do something. I don't know, whatever thing you want to do, just do.
Let me call my lawyer.
Officer! Please, I need medical attention, please.
Who be that going to disturb my chief? Eh? Medical attention kill you there. When you do kidnapping, you don't know.
You're a big disappointment. Zanga. A simple job. Eh? You allowed a woman to overpower you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? And instead of you to take the fall alone, you had to implicate me.
I'm sorry, my prince. Everything happened so fast. But you get lawyer now.
Come on, shut up!
My prince, you get connect. You get proof for high places. No, you put call now. See how they bleed now, my prince. I need medical attention. Me, I don't walk by for you.
Shut up!
I don't walk by for you. I go cast matter. I will cast things so.
Officer, please. I don't want you to misunderstand my invitation. I would have come to your office myself, but as you can see, I am mourning my husband. And as the tradition demands, I am not supposed to step out of the palace until all the rituals are done.
It's okay, Your Majesty. I understand.
Please, DPO, I want you to release my son. I will pay whatever it takes for you to die this case. We have a lot already in our hands. We don't need this distraction at this moment. Please, release him to me and I will remain grateful.
I am sorry, Your Highness. I cannot release your son. This is a criminal case. A kidnapping case for that matter.
DPO, my son is not a kidnapper. He just took the young lady to scare them to release the corpse of the king. Please, help me release him. And I will remain grateful.
Your Highness, yes. Do you know the pain and trauma people go through when they are kidnapped? Some never recovered fully from it.
Officer, please, it is not what you think at all. Alright? My husband just put this for them to return the king's corpse. That is all. Please do not look at it towards that direction. I mean, it is not a pure kidnapping case per se.
Kidnapping is kidnapping. The only person that can change the direction of this case is the victim.
Is somebody here?
Hi, Queen.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What a surprise visit.
I know. I needed to speak to you one-on-one. That is why I'm here.
My queen, you should have sent for me instead of coming here. You are the queen of our kingdom, and you are not supposed to be visiting commoners like us.
This so-called commoner has something very important to give to me, which is your forgiving heart. Nena, please. My son is not a kidnapper. He was just protecting the throne. The elders were threatening to give the crown to Dikeh, who has been throwing money around. He was just using this opportunity of what is happening to grab the throne. Please, help me withdraw this case. Please, I need your help. Withdraw this case.
Never. We will never withdraw that case. Your son must face the full wrath of the law. Chisom, I know that you are very angry at the moment, but I need you to calm down, please. Sister, don't tell me to calm down. Do you even know what I went through in the hands of those boys? If I had blood pressure, I would have died in that camp.
I understand. I will pay for damages. Please name your price.
I don't need your stupid money. You couldn't use to train your son well. Chisom! Why this attitude? Have you forgotten that this is the queen of this kingdom? And you are behaving like this in her presence. Get inside. Move! Go inside! Sister, whatever decision you take here without my approval is dead on arrival. Excuse me. Excuse me. I really apologize on my behalf. I'm really sorry.
There's no need to apologize. I understand how she feels. Please, just help me to speak to her. Talk to her to withdraw the case. My son is not a kidnapper. He was just desperate to protect the throne. Please, do not allow my enemies mock me. Please, Nena, help me out.
My queen, I will speak to my sister. She's still my key sister, and I know she's going to listen to me. So you have nothing to worry about.
Thank you very much. I'll be expecting to hear from you.
Sure,
okay?
I'll do that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my queen. Chisom, I'll be a fool if I think you overreacted there. I'll also be sensitive if I think that I don't have the right to feel the way you are feeling now. But being human, I'll beg you to forgive me. This is not even a case of kidnapping. They only wanted me to release the corpse of the king that is in my custody.
Sister, kidnapping is kidnapping. I could have died in their hands.
I know. And I thank God that nothing happened to you. You know, the royal family has always been our old-time family friends. And they've been of help to us from the very beginning. Please, my sister, I beg you, forgive them so that we withdraw this case. Please.
I'll call the PPO.
Thank you. Oh, I know. Thank you.
Welcome home. Arinze, the kidnapper. You're lucky Nene, my girlfriend, has a good heart. You would have slept in jail for the rest of your lives. I hope you have learned your lessons.
It's you that is going to learn your lesson. Today, being a K-market day in Amanze Kingdom, I remove my footwear and place my barefoot on Ajan and disown you, Adako. You are no longer to be addressed as my daughter. Neither is anyone permitted to call me your mother. You are disowned.
Ada, I know you can't win this war. You end up creating multiple enemies for yourself, and that is what you've done.
Inena, it's better to do the right thing and have more enemies than to have fake friends around you just because you're doing the wrong thing to please them. I know it won't be easy, but it's possible. All I ask is allow me stay in your house. I'll figure out myself.
This is your house already. You're welcome anytime, any day. You can even stay as much as you want.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go. You're welcome.
My elders, I greet you all. We greet you too. Greet you, our prince. I am here to warn you. The greatest danger to a community is not that terrorist who owns the weapon of mass destruction, but a leader who, in a bid to self-regenerate, throws caution to the wind and blocks his ears from the voice of reasoning. That is the danger you should fear.
Ibu a clown. Arinze, you are a clown. Who are you calling a terrorist and a danger to the community? Talk to me. You are not fit to wear that crown. You're not fit at all.
Did I call your name? You know, who is this boy? Eh? Who is this boy? Who is your father? Who the hell are you?
When you get home, you ask your father if he's still alive.
You are a madman. You have no respect. Oh, because you stole a few dollars from the white man, you think you can come here and buy the crown? You are a madman.
You are a madman. You are the madman. And for your information, I am not here to buy the crown. I am only here to take it away from cowards like you. Cowards like you who cannot even stop their sister from running away with their father's corpse. Ordinary woman. And you cannot do anything about it. They be a bullshit. How are we even sure that you can be able to protect us in this kingdom if there is some external force? No, Gbania.
Do you know your roots? Do you know your roots? Look at this boy. I attended your dedication. My mother and I attended his dedication. I was there when you were born. You are still a small boy. You're very stupid. You want to respect at all. Pick your elder. Listen, I'm fucking at my palace. Eh? I'm fucking at my palace.
Oh no, no, clear this boy. I was about to idiot.
Now boy, Jaja.
It's okay, please. I beg both of you, please, take it easy.
Go there, Efulef, why here?
You called me an Efulefu.
I have.
Hi! Yedika! You have stepped on the tiger's tail.
Sit down.
Please, you people do me.
Will you people shut up? Look at this one.
I'm not talking to both of you.
Look at this one.
Shut up! Don't forget on my palace!
Hey,
you can put
please don't shoot anybody, please.
We should understand that the throne of Amanze is not in contest. And the crown is not running away from Amanze. We, the cabinet members and the tradition of Amanze, will definitely make sure that the crown rests on the head that it fits.
Oh no,
that head is mine.
Not you. You lie!
I have taken over from my father. I am heir to the throne. And listen, I cannot be punished for a crime committed by my sister. Let us consult the oracle. Let him show us the way. Let him tell us where my father's corpse can be found. Listen, not talking about how to crown this idiot.
You are an idiot. I will not go up with the idiot.
Please.
That does not know where the father's corpse is. That you have to ask the oracle. You have to ask the glass to show you where your own father's corpse is.
It's enough. We cannot take this anymore. Can't both of you make your points without insulting each other? Okay, it's alright. This is what we are going to do. Both of you, excuse us.
Thank you, no.
Mechano,
what do you mean by Mechano?
you people should calm down.
Look at this one.
Calm down and listen to me. My prince. Okay. Yedika, leave.
Oh no, I want to get your back for Arinze. Arinze, your back for Kaibanka and I joke on. We have a conversation going on here. Arinze, you are the one to leave this place. Seba for Kaibanka. Arinze, if you think that you are a man enough, come out here. Arinze, get in there. Prince. If you believe that you are from the lines of a king, put that back, I believe. That dog if I'm from I'll get in there. I don't walk with no. I'll get in there.
Deal with him.
I know you are now, Machayale Prince and Prince Anne. What nonsense.
Deal with him.
Well, okay, tell me how to go to here.
Is there enough now? What is the meaning of this?
I'm not Mark, I can blow you.
Ihedika, do you expect me to fight you? No, I'm not going to fight you. You're just a baby. Like I said, I was there when you were born. I'll flog you like a little child.
Anything. Arinze. Already here, Polema.
Deal with him.
Isn't it Buaka? Can Bulia? Can not see a game? I get my prince again.
Got Paki bottle. Deal with him. I said, deal with him. Are you speaking to the son of a king? For spilling that rubbish by the power vested on me as the prince of Amanze kingdom, you're hereby banished for 50 years. Deal with him. This is enough.
You cannot do anything.
I want to help Polema. Here, my prince, Ibe, Madoka, everyone leave my compound now. I want to have rest. You see now, you people should leave.
No, I have respect for you.
Start going, thank you. Start going. My prince, please, can you just leave? What do you people want me to do? Oh no! I am the crowned prince of Amanze kingdom. I want to speak with you now. My prince, mere looking at me, you will observe that I am collapsing. With all due respect, my prince, can you gently enter the car and leave my compound? Biko.
My prince, actually I may collapse. I want to faint. No problem. My prince, do you know what? Shift. Let me gently go faint. Shift who can faint here. Big go. Shift who can faint here.
Oh no. A prime minister like you is supposed to be living a good life. Though that's why I came. Oh no. In here. It's a sum of 10 million naira. It's for you. You keep it and crown me the next king of Amanze community. And I assure you, oh no, I will place you on a 1 million naira monthly salary for the rest of your life. Yes.
Dikeh.
No.
10 million naira.
No. Confirm it. Adianwaka.
Okay, Mwa. Okay, Mwa. Hey, look where 10 million. Eman asena if a battle no be. Adapilo. As ebe nkase puta. Maji pulu maji.
Oh no, we already maji pulu maji adigo. Mana ise
now on the issue you are saying, I am not the only one that can take such a decision. I will require the cabinet members to join me in making this decision.
Oh no. I know with your position in this community, as you know, it's going to be easy for you to convince other elders. Sit them down, talk to them, let them see reasons. Oh no, I promise you, wherever this one comes from, there is more, and it will keep coming your way. All I need is the crown of Amanze kingdom.
Your request is not like something that cannot be achievable. But as I said, I cannot make the pronunciation alone. Yet, let me say I will use my position to talk with the elders, the cabinet members, in our next meeting.
Now we are talking.
And I believe they will see reasons with me.
Oh no.
But I'm trying to let you know that I am accepting this 10 million as a gift, not a bribe.
Oh no. You can call it whatever it is. It came as a gift. And we're going to use it. But I am assuring you, no. Crown me the next king of Amanze, and I will bring development to this community. I will make this community a place to be. I will make this community conducive enough for investors to come in and invest.
If you are talking like this...
Oh no. I will open this community. Or Dikeh Dubai. No. In fact, I will bring Dubai to this community.
Oh my God, this is what I want to hear. Oh my God. I think we're on the same page now. Because that is what we need, development. And in fact, saying this or hearing this from you, I think we're on a good side. Let's see how we go about it.
Now you are speaking my language. Oh no. Oh no.
Just go home and relax. You have said what I want to hear. Development. Obodanya bulu amanze Dubai. Development. That is what we want. Go and relax.
Okay.
The crown. You're already wearing it.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my adorable.
I know you as a man of integrity.
I know you.
Hearing this from you, I am happy. Let me go and rest.
Aye.
And then we'll talk.
Oh no, we're not going to no 10 million.
Oh no.
Hey, over 10 million.
Let me run along. Communicate. Oh no.
Hey, come and open the gate for him. Once they see this money now, they will tell their mother. That is another problem. Let me take it inside. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hey. Prince. Yeah.
What is this fraudster doing in my house?
Eh?
What is this fraudster doing in the palace?
My prince, Biko, withdraw that statement. Because you don't have any evidence to prove that he is a fraudster. There is no evidence to prove that. And we, the council, decided that today he should be part of the council. And should be part of the meeting.
Oh no.
Omoria.
There is no need beating a dead drum. Our people say that he who fetches an ant-infested firewood automatically invites the lizards to a feast. Arinze, you should be glad that I, Ihedeka Obiozo, he who the mantle fits, is here, live and direct, as a member of this council.
Hi. Oh no.
My prince.
Is this a prank?
Prank? No.
Are you trying to insult our culture and heritage as Igbo people?
Mbano, I cannot do such. Mbano.
Oh no. I got rapuzi omenani. Maybe omenenu.
Oh no.
What nonsense is this? This giraffe, a member of the council. Oh no.
Oh no. I would suggest you go straight to the point and let the prince know why we are here.
Yes, yes. My prince. Anyada rapu. Omenani. We cannot abandon our heritage. We are doing what we should do for the good of this kingdom. We are thinking about development.
No, Inatago bribe.
Mbano. The council took a decision and the decision...
Excuse me, my prince.
What is it?
The DPO is here to see you.
Police.
Let him in. Oh no.
Police natural. Opunga DPO there. No other one. Welcome.
I'm CSP Ozondo.
I know that already.
From A Division. I have a duly signed warrant of arrest.
For who?
For this man here.
I beg your pardon. What are you talking about?
Mr. Obiozo, you're under arrest for the murder of Shifobosi, your boss. Who you murdered and ran away with all his money.
Hey! There is a mistake somewhere. This is a mistaken identity. There's a mix-up somewhere.
Shut up! You fraudster.
Oh no, I don't know what this man is talking. What are you talking about, DPO?
DPO. Are you sure about this information?
Very sure.
Alright. Carry on.
Mr. Obiozo, I advise you remain silent, for whatever you say here will be used against you in the court of law.
DPO. These are his partners in crime.
No.
Are they also under arrest?
No.
When we get to the station, we'll find out.
We are not accomplices.
This is a mistake.
I say move now.
Move.
This is a mistake.
Move. So we are no.
There is a mistake somewhere.
Move. Go.
This is a mistake.
I say move.
Arinza.
He's the one. Go.
Don't think you have won.
Mr. Obiozo, move.
He's the one. Hey. Have you seen it? Oh, we go about blood money. Oh no. My friend. Don't feel disappointed. Don't be disappointed. I will explain that. Look at this boy. He's a criminal. I've been looking at him as a criminal. My parents are people like this boy, a criminal.
Adako, the location where you kept your late father's corpse has been identified by this chief priest. And your brother will be leading some elders to the spot this evening. So you need to move now. Leave whatever you're doing. Go and take that corpse out from that place.
They will meet shame and embarrassment if they ambush Anunebi's holy ground. Even the gods of Amanze will not be able to save them. I know who Anunebe is. They cannot get the corpse from him. It's not possible.
Prevention, they say, is better than cure. I have always known Anunebe to be a very powerful chief priest. But you never can say. Anything can happen.
Ichi, relax your mind. There's no cause for alarm. Nothing will happen. They will go and come back in shame. They can never locate that corpse. It's not possible now. It's not possible.
Adako, something tells me that they will come back with that corpse. So please, move now. Go and move that corpse out from that place.
Today is indeed a great day. The gods have shown us mercy.
Exactly.
I'm very excited. Elders and council, I must commend your efforts towards bringing back my father's corpse. Towards bringing home the king's corpse. And by the power vested on me as the crown prince of Amanze, I shall come up with an official date for the king's burial.
Oh my God.
But bear in mind, he must be buried in line with our custom and tradition.
Excuse me. Please excuse me.
You have spoken well. And you have shown that truly you are a true son of your father.
Exactly.
But I want to ask one question. What about the mortician?
Oh no! Oh no! You have nothing to worry about. I have instructed a professional mortician to take care of my father's body.
Oh my God.
As we proceed with other things.
Oh my God.
Oh no! Oh no!
Omekania.
Oh!
Omekania.
Oh!
Omekania.
Oh!
It is Ulechizu. It is Ulechizu. Omekania. Omekania. Omekania.
Informed that your sister is in the kingdom as we speak. She has rung the emergency meeting bell and the villagers are coming out in their number to hear what she has to say.
When did this happen?
Just now. A friend of mine at the village town square called me and then she told me this. Sweetheart, please, you have to do something immediately. Do something right now before she feeds them with the wrong information about you.
Adako has bitten more than she can chew. It's time to put her in her place.